In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Jotform to WordPress. In order to do that, first head over to wordpress.com and you have two options right there. You can click on this Get Started option in order to create an account, or you can also click on this Login option right here in order to log into one. So into this case, let's head over and then just log in since I already have an account on my WordPress. Now here is my WordPress dashboard. Into this case, just scroll down until you can see the plugins option right there. So hover to that and click onto this add plugin. After that, we can see in here this. So into this, just click onto the search bar and search in here for Jotform. Search for it and you should be able to see in here some things that we can actually utilize. We have feedback buttons, embed, AI chatbots, and the likes. We can also add online forms and shopping cart. So just choose in here which kind of Jotform you need. It can be a shopping cart or online forms. In my case, let me head over and use in here this one. Click on the actual app that you want to install. Then from there, you can see this. So click on this install and activate option that we can see right here. And then after that, this will install this plugin into our actual WordPress. So just wait for this to install and activate this particular login, and after that, you should be able to see it already into your actual WordPress. As of now, it's already logged in or added. So you can scroll down and you can find that right here on the online forms. You can activate it and deactivate it, and then you can use it as well into your actual WordPress sites. For example, on your editor, you can scroll down right here. We have designs, media, themes, and other some forms of widgets. So in here, we also have embeds. And when you scroll further down, you should be able to see in here some details or some widgets created by actual plugins, like for example, Jotform, and you can add that right there. So that's how you add Jotform to WordPress. Hope we helped.